In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add holidays to Smartsheet. Adding holidays to your Smartsheet is really important if you're managing timelines or project schedules. When holidays are set up correctly, Smartsheet can automatically exclude those days from task durations and deadlines, which keeps your Gantt charts and schedules accurate. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Smartsheet where you're managing your project. Make sure you're in a view where you can see the Gantt chart or project timeline, because that's usually where working days and non-working days matter most. Now, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon or a settings option there. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the project settings panel. Once the settings panel opens, you'll see several configuration options for your sheet. Look for the option that lets you change working days or project settings and click on the button that says Edit or a similar label. This is where you'll define the specific days your team does or does not work. In the Edit window, find the section labeled Non-Working Days, which is usually described as holidays or exceptions. This is the area where you'll be entering any holidays you want Smartsheet to recognize. By marking these as non-working days, any tasks that land on these dates will automatically adjust according to your project schedule. Now, start typing in your holidays. Typically, you'll enter a name for the holiday and a date or date range. For example, you might enter something like New Year's Day, and then choose the appropriate date from the calendar picker. If your organization follows regional or company-specific holidays, be sure to add all of those here as well. It can be helpful to go through your annual calendar in advance so you don't miss any important dates. After you finish typing in all the holidays you want to include, confirm your changes by clicking OK in the non-working days window. This saves the list of holidays you just entered. Then, you'll usually see another OK button in the main project settings window. Click OK again to close the settings and apply everything to your sheet. Once that's done, your Smartsheet will automatically treat those holidays as non-working days, keeping your schedules and deadlines much more accurate going forward.